Not the video I expected to be making today. So as you've seen in the headline, I'm giving away $500 to one subscriber. You have to be subscribed to the channel. The most liked comment, how to blow up the 38,000 mile EG hatch, gets $500 for the most liked comment. You have to be subscribed, you have to leave the comment, like the video, and then share this video to at least one social media platform, just saying to your friends that, hey, go like my comment. So just do those three things. Winner of the most liked comment gets 500 bucks. You can put corn oil, put rocks in the engine. I'll put it on a dyno. Like literally leave the most craziest comment you can think of. How to blow up this 38,000 mile EG hatch without ruining the body. Just the engine, transmission. I'm sad to make this video. 38,000 mile hatch. It's a unicorn, but it's not my fault. It's 1, 2, 3. You got the 500 bucks because it was your idea and your idea, so they split it 250, 250.
This could be yours, so get creative out there.
And I can see the comments now. You guys are like, oh, it's a unicorn, or someone could have bought that engine. Do you guys care about this engine?
Fuck this engine. We're gonna
send
it slow as hell.
We don't believe in sending cams no more, bro.
You're sending this shit 6 feet under, baby.
It's so sad to see this happen.
We don't collect cars, baby. We don't collect cars at all. We fucking ruin them.
We ruin them one at a time, baby.
Dear YouTube, if you guys are watching this and you're a collector, I completely apologize for what's about to happen. I'm not gonna terrorize this car in this video, or maybe a little bit. So we might give you guys a little show, but.
Let me say something first, right? When this car was built, what history is behind the Honda Civic? Behind these Civics, the hatchbacks.
And the CF.
Behind the Type R, there's history behind the Type R, there's history behind the NSX, but what about the Civics? There's nothing there, so what makes a collector? The cool factor is, I'll tell you the cool factor, yeah, because you don't see these cars in this condition in today's world.
38,000 miles though.
I don't give a fuck about that.
38, the collector, where else are you gonna get another 38,000 mile EG hatch? It's like damn near almost unheard of.
Okay, but can you have fun with this car?
We can.
We're about to have some fun with this car.
But realistically, can you really have fun with this car?
No, this shit's a dog. This shit wouldn't even do a burnout.
All right.
The only benefit is it's good on gas right now.
Let's just give him a quick walk around for the people that didn't see us picking the car up. And what'd you say to me earlier about this engine bay?
This shit's clean as fuck.
And you pointed out the crank pulley, still zinc.
Everything.
Look at all the bolts. Look at the bolts on the on the subframe.
This right here has to be one of the cleanest cars that I've personally seen, original.
And we didn't even clean this car yet.
No.
An original California car.
You gotta see the interior.
The interior, when you were riding here this morning, you were like, this is probably the best interior that you've seen.
You know what's crazy is majority of probably the people that own these cars originally is old people maybe, right? So they have the little sunglass clips or a little bifocal clip up on the visors. This shit has none of those markings at all.
I'm so sad right now. It doesn't look like it on my face because the guys are here, but not my idea, and I really don't want to do it. But check out this interior. I'm pretty sure you guys seen it in the other video when we picked the car up from Tommy. 39,000 miles. Original radio.
Show the visors. That's what catches my eye. It's just only look like they're touched.
The visors are brand new. Cassette player. Got cassettes. This car is fresh. Let's open up the trunk.
The trunk's my favorite.
Is it? Let's check this out.
Yo. For all the OGs out there, they can have appreciation for this.
Oh,
protected by Vipers.
You have appreciation for that. Yo, we got original quarter panels on here. Got the rubbers. How clean that is. This thing is mint. And it's mint on the bottom. Yo, can we do this to another car? Can we just back out right now? We still got time to back out.
You could back out, but me, him, and him have a plan for this car. So it's 3 against 1.
Someone's winning 500 bucks. Honestly, I'm excited to see what the hell the comments are gonna be. If you guys drop a comment right now, what you think? If it was me, I'd probably do cooking oil, maybe rocks, maybe drain all the oil out on the dyno.
I don't want to blow it up right away. I want to kind of take it in stages, ease the way into it.
Nah.
So we can have the most fun out of it.
Most liked comment, If it blows up, it blows up. It just happens. Hey, how about this? And then we just move down to the second most liked comment and just go from there. Just
Oh, we just have our own fun with it, like sipping on scissor, right? And then we'll go to the comment and see if it actually blows it up.
no, because what if we blow it up first? Can't do that.
No, we'll be very mild with it. We'll do like milk, syrup, stuff like that.
Nah. Most liked comment, we'll do that first. Then we'll go down second, third, and it might make it to the second one. I don't know, but some of these dudes up here are savages. They're like way worse than us. So I don't know. I'm surprised to see what they're gonna say.
What happens if somebody gets the most likes or whatever and it doesn't blow it up?
We just keep going down. Go down the list. Go down. Say that comment gets 100 likes. Then the second one gets 50.
Does the money go towards the likes or towards the blow up?
No, it goes to the most liked comment. The most liked comment, the money goes to that. So, RIP, I guess. That's what I'm gonna name this video. RIP to 39,000 mile EG hat.
Take it to our estimates.
Yeah, we'll be right back.
Infamous.
We're going for intermission right now. Don't
Okay,
you
no,
worry,
you
you just cut this video right now.
I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes, I guess. Boys, not the video expecting to be making today. I'm telling you guys. They're gonna break it in right how we always do. I'm not excited to be doing this, but let's get to it.
Yeah, you guys like Chris Davis?
Hell yeah, we love Chris Davis.
He needs some milk.
Yo, this car will not do a burnout. It ain't gonna do it. It ain't gonna do it. It ain't gonna do it. What I told you. It ain't gonna do it. That shit almost does.
Should have bet that 100, bro.
Your Integra doesn't do burnouts like that. That shit does better burnouts than your Integra.
Damn, why you gonna disrespect me like that, bro?
Alright boys, so you guys seen the car wouldn't just do a burnout. So I figured out, I think the cat is clogged. 38,000 miles, shit's been sitting. I don't know, but let's put this thing on the rack and see what happens. I think we can hollow out the cat. Who is that, David who?
Chris somebody, I don't even fucking remember.
About to hollow out the cat?
Yo, drive up the ride.
Yeah, let me hear it revved up one more time. I can't hear it. R.I.P. man. It's not gonna blow up before the video or before you guys see the comment, but Clock Cat, we wanna make sure this thing is 100 on the dyno. Yo, how many miles this car got?
30K, right?
39K. About to strip the cat. You ever seen a 39,000 mile cat go
I
bad?
think this cat is under warranty.
It might be under factory warranty.
Hey, where'd everybody go, bro? Huh? They left you the dirty work?
Yeah, bro, right? Somebody try to steal my cat, so let him steal it now.
You gonna hollow it out, fuck it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
It's probably like 500 bucks in there, right?
Hell yeah.
And again, YouTube, I apologize for these guys. Who ruins a 39,000 mile EG hatch? The car is basically ruined. Cat's already fucked. It's pretty much done in my book, so.
Bro, what happened was they tried to steal my cat.
Nah, I ain't trying to steal shit. I got mana for the cat.
That was the original cat. That's at least 100 bucks down there in dust.
Bro, these guys are the king of ruining cars. The kings of it. And I feel so bad for the rest of the cars that are gonna happen throughout the year. Like, you know how many people are looking for this car right now? Like, wanted to build this car?
How can they enjoy it? Like you said earlier, we're gonna turn this into something amazing. It's great now, yeah, cool, but
It's fucking awesome. I guess let's see if the shit does a burnout now. Here we go.
Check the exhaust.
First startup
Check the exhaust.
with the cat. Damn. Mad White dust came out. I know what's wrong with it. I ain't got
no K in it.
Yo, let me hear that rev real quick. I'ma still go, this shit ain't doing a burnout. I don't think so. Those little 1.5 engines, those shit suck. Like, they're great economy motors, but it's pretty much it. Quick intermission, bro.
Good shit.
Oh, shit built up on the cap. You think it's gonna fix the issue? I still don't think it's gonna do a burnout.
Don't think so?
No. These plugs look like shit, but we're gonna put new spark plugs, clean the cap up. I still don't think it's gonna do a burnout. Like I said, these engines are shit, like complete shit. He got faith in this engine. Let me tell you, the SI hatch, shit'll do a fucking burnout. This shit, nah, ain't happening. You wanna make a side bet?
I bet with you.
Lunch today, it does not do a burnout.
I bet lunch with you, we put these old plugs in right now and it'll do a burnout.
Nah, he's almost here with the plugs. Just put the plugs in. New plugs or not.
Lunch for the whole shop.
Nah, just for you.
Good lunch, yeah. Good lunch.
Alright, I gotcha. I gotcha. The boys put the plugs in, and like I said. So now what's the problem? What's the issue, bro?
So it looks like whoever did the belt originally in this car, they set it to the timing marks, ignition timing marks, not top dead center on the bottom. So it was off a tooth.
So you do timing belt work in the parking lot?
It's fucking hot out here and we're in the parking lot. And we didn't even take the lower section off. We're just gonna flat rate this shit. We just slip the belt, skip to the tooth, and we'll be on our way.
Skip a tooth? You think it's gonna work?
1, 2, skip a tooth.
You're putting this thing back on timing in the parking lot, bro.
I think we're invested too much time into this fucking car already.
Yo,
We would have had this car stripped already.
it would have been stripped, but it's gonna make for great content. Someone's gonna win 500 bucks. The car's gonna be running at tip-top shape, 100%. Car's gonna be on timing, ready to blow up. So make sure to drop in the comment right now what you want us to do. We're gonna put it through the test for you guys so you can see how nice of a burnout it does, if it ever does a burnout. But somehow, some way, this shit's gonna blow up from one of you guys' comments. Yo, I know who I'm gonna blame for this timing job. Tommy.
Tommy probably did this.
Tommy put this motherfucker on timing.
I know.
The funny part
Not a Honda guy.
somebody marked it. Like, what idiot was in there?
I don't know.
We know it wasn't my boy Josh for sure. Tommy definitely did this.
Definitely Tommy. Tommy did it himself.
Shit. He must have been sipping on too much bubbly.
Yo, that thing. Yo, who gives a fuck? Yo, this shit's gonna do a burnout. It's gonna do a burnout now. It sounds way better. A lot better.
A few moments later.
All right, boys. Part 2 to the burnout. So let's get this started.
I gotta do the prep work.
I'm gonna say it's gonna do a burnout. I'm gonna go. It sounds way, way better.
I want my lunch today.
I got all you guys if it does a burnout, but I want my shit today too.
I still want my lunch because you didn't think it was a timing.
Yeah,
You have to
but
drag it out a little bit?
Yeah.
yo, what you guys playing today too in the radio?
We still got our
Beatles?
Jimmy Connor.
Let's try this again. Oh my god! Yeah, that shit did a burnout. Those idiots. That shit is so slow though. Faster than your shit.
Yeah, I'll beat you any day.
You wish you could beat me.
Tell him to race me, guys. He's still being a punk.
Don't. My bad. Bad camera angle, but her shit is slow. She wants to drive the track off, but that's pretty much it. Make sure to drop in those comments. Most liked comment. #1 comment, most liked. That's what we're gonna do to the car to blow it up. So I can't wait to read through them and see what you guys put.
Moments later.
These dudes might blow this car up before you guys can leave a comment. Check out these idiots. You guys are so ratchet. That thing is such a dud. Such a dud. Idiots. I ain't gonna lie, shit's a piece of shit.
Yo, but
38,000 mile piece of shit.
This is a burnout though. So we all getting lunch. And
Yeah,
I think it's lunchtime, matter of fact, right now.
That counts. Yo, Tommy, if you watching this video, oh, ouch. Tommy, if you watching this video, I got timing lessons for you. What'd you just do?
First burnout. You gotta put some water. I feel like it's better.
They are so ratchet. Huh?
Third, we're gonna try our third burnout right now.
Yeah, we're gonna try a third gear burnout.
All right, so the boys just said they're gonna try their, what you said, third gear or third burnout? Third gear burnout? Third gear? Let me see Yo, I think it did a better burnout in reverse than it did forward, bro.
Yo, he forgot to put it in first.
Yo, do a reverse one more time. Oh man, what fucking idiots. Dump the clutch in reverse too.
This shit's a dud.
Yo, last one for the boy, just reverse. Tires are sticky.
My boy fucking paid up today.
Yeah, dude. It ain't stink, but it's something.
That shit look good. That's for damn sure.
Alright boys, that's that. Make sure to drop the most insane comment in the comment section. Like the video, share it to one social media platform, and you have to be the most liked comment in the comments in order to get that 500 bucks. I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with.